Hi, my name is Jillian from My Ethnic Cooking and Catering in Frankfurt, Germany. Today we are going to prepare an African specialty, or rather a Kenyan specialty called Ugali wa Wimbi. For preparation of Ugali wa Wimbi, we need hot boiling water and some millet flour. When we prepare Ugali wa Wimbi, it's normally accompanied by, you can make it with beef stew, or in the case today we are going to prepare some chicken hearts and green cabbages. The main ingredients for preparing the green cabbages is some onions, tomatoes, some oil for frying the tomatoes and the whole ingredients, and then a bit of salt and a special Kenyan spices called Royco. Every Kenyan has Royco mchuzi mix at home. So we shall start with the cooking, but before we do that, today we have a special guest. Her name is Philly Yambo Makora.
Hi, thank you for tuning in. Like she said, I am Philly and I am the founder and CEO of the Tales of Yambo, which is basically a media platform for the African diaspora in Europe. And I'm super excited to find out what we are cooking today and to learn more about our Kenyan cuisine. Stay tuned.
So we are now boiling the water. But as the water is boiling, I thought we could do a bit of multitasking, whereby we could start frying our green cabbages, so that when the ugali is finished, everything is ready and we can serve it while hot.
That's a great idea.
Yes.
Good idea.
So
ugali is great eaten when it's hot.
Exactly. Yes. So I will start here with putting in some onions. Before the colonial, or rather the slave trade era, we used to eat millet or sorghum. And then when Vasco da Gama came, he brought in white corn flour from Brazil.
Okay.
Because he was exchanging slave traders with spices or food. So in that case in Kenya, he's the one who brought in the white corn. So since he brought in the white corn, he's been eating ugali with white,
yeah.
But the millet variation is healthier. Appreciate it. All the health benefits. Yes. So I will let the onions saute shortly. I'll reduce the heat.
Saute.
To make it.
We are learning new words today.
Yes.
Saute.
In the meantime, here our ugali is ready. Our water for the ugali is ready. So I'll also reduce the heat here so that I can have proper mixing of the flour. So you put the flour slowly by slowly and mix quickly until you get something like a porridge mix. And then you keep adding. So there we go. Okay, you have to be a bit faster.
Is there a difference when cooking the millet ugali and the white ugali in the technique, or it's just the same?
It's the same. It's just that with millet, yeah, it's the same. It's just that the millet, it's somehow softer than the corn.
Okay.
And you have to mix quickly until these white lumps. You can see some white lumps.
Yes, I can see.
Yeah, I have to mix quickly so that before the ugali dries up.
Yeah.
You always have to twist from the bottom, turn it up, and keep mixing.
Oh, it looks good.
Yes.
So good. And supposedly, I want to cook this ugali in Germany. Where can I get it?
The millet flour, I normally buy it from the Indian shop.
Okay.
They always have it.
That's a nice tip.
Yes, because earlier I used to bring it from home, but after I discovered it's just here, you can get it fresh.
Wow,
So
I didn't know.
yes. So the other difference between the millet flour and the corn flour is that it's like gum.
Sticky.
It's sticky, exactly. You know? So So I'll let it rest a bit. We go back to our green
sauteed
onions.
Sauteed onions.
Yes. So I'm just trying to multitask so that we have the food served warm all at the same time. Are we adding some tomatoes when it So that's enough because it has reached a point where the Germans say the onions have sweated. So yeah. So here is when I will add tomatoes. You can use one tomato, in this case I've used two.
Oh guys, I know you can't smell it, but it really smells good.
Then this is the point you add some salt. I always put very little salt because our Royco is already salty.
That's true.
Yeah, so I always put very little salt. Let me mix a bit. And then I will add Royco. So I will reduce the heat again to medium heat. I'll let this mixture cook a little bit. And then we go back to our ugali. So our ugali is almost ready. I'll give it some time to cook it like the Luya style. You have to let it cook for some time.
Oh yes, I forgot. Ugali is sacred, yes?
Oh yes. You have to cook it until the malondo. The malondo is the crust of the ugali. It's not easy. I'm getting muscles, you know.
Exercise.
It's exercise.
For the hands.
I let it settle a bit. I go back to my sukuma wikis. Ah yes, this is great. So you see the tomatoes already forming some sauce.
Yes.
Yeah, and now this is the time to put in our green cabbages. It's super frozen. You have to wait until it's like
Defrost.
yes. I always try to cook it that it doesn't lose color. I like it when it's still green, you know. That's when you get all the health benefits. If you cook it until it loses color, all the vitamins are gone.
So basically, you're just eating empty.
Empty, with no quality. Maybe let me use the word
Yes.
quality. Yes. So in my case, I'll just wait for everything to defrost, and then let it get warm. But I try not to lose the color.
Excellent.
Yes. So the crust has formed. So our
The
ugali is
malondo.
ready. The malondo has formed. So our ugali is ready to be served.
This is a quick meal to prepare.
Maybe now, yeah. But I'm trying to assist the defrosting to go faster because I don't want it to cook, then it loses the color. When it loses the color, I feel so annoyed. Okay, the chicken heart's ready.
Oh, I can't wait to dig in. Oh my god. I cannot wait to dig in. Yeah. So, in case you're watching this, please try it at home.
If you want some recipes, just get in touch.
Oh, yes. Is it in your cookbook?
No.
You should make a cookbook number 2.
Cookbook number 2.
So you guys get an amazing cookbook from Jill. I got mine.
Yes.
It's amazing. It has recipes from different countries.
So we're almost there with our sukumas. I love the color.
It looks nice and healthy.
Yes.
Let's say.
I think the chicken, we shall turn it off. leave it a bit.
I saw you advertise some takeaway packages.
Yes.
Is ugali included?
Yeah, ugali is included.
Ah.
Ugali is included. It's just that so far I've been doing what people are ordering. If somebody orders ugali, of course I'll do it.
So guys, check out, Jay came up with a fantastic idea. When you're traveling and you want some delicious African snacks, you can just order and she can pack them for you to go.
Yeah. So our sukuma wikis are ready. Oh, I'm hungry. And I like the way the color has stayed on
Just
point.
like you wanted it.
Yes. So, we are almost there. So let me just do the servings.
I like the meal today because I mean the ingredients are very easy to find. It's not something that somebody will look for.
Yes. Like if you don't have sukuma wiki, just use the green. There we go.
Oh, this looks absolutely scrumptious. Absolutely amazing.
Sorry, that was loud. I hope you'll enjoy the meal. For me, first and foremost, it's the healthy benefits that always pulls me to this meal. So I'll say thank you very much. I say thank you to Philly for being here today.
Thank you so much.
And I hope you will like what we've done today.
I know, we liked it. I can't wait to dig in.
Yes. Until next time, it's goodbye and have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.